In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add photos to Google Business Profile. By the end, you'll know exactly how to upload a photo that helps your business look professional, trustworthy, and easy to recognize. First, open your web browser and go to business.google.com. This is the management hub for your Google Business Profile, where you control what people see on search and maps. Once the page loads, you'll be taken to the dashboard for your business. If you manage multiple locations, you'll see them listed here. Give the page a moment to load fully so all menu options appear. Next, find and click Photos. Depending on your layout, this may appear in the left-hand menu or as a tab along the top. The Photo section is where all your images live, things like your storefront, interior, products, team, and events. It's worth taking a second to glance around this area to see what's already there so you can keep your visual style consistent. Clear, well-lit photos tend to perform best and make a stronger first impression. Now, click Add Photos. This opens the Upload interface. You'll typically see an option to drag and drop files or browse your computer. The Upload tool works well with common image formats like JPG and PNG. If you're preparing images ahead of time, aim for high resolution without excessive file size so they load quickly and look sharp on both desktop and mobile. Select a photo from your device, choose an image that accurately represents your business. Think a clean shot of your exterior, a welcoming interior view, or a best-selling product. Make sure the photo isn't blurry, overly filtered, or cluttered. Good lighting, straight horizons, and natural colors go a long way. If the image includes people, ensure it's appropriate for public use and reflects your brand positively. Naming your files clearly can also help you stay organized as your library grows. Finally, click Open to start the upload. You'll see a brief progress indicator, and the photo will appear in your Photos section once it's processed. If it doesn't show up immediately, give it a minute. Sometimes Google needs a little time to refresh. To add more images, simply repeat the same process. Consistency matters, so update photos periodically to reflect current offerings, decor, and seasonal changes. Also, keep Google's content guidelines in mind to avoid removals. That's it. You've successfully added a photo to your Google Business Profile. A strong set of images can boost engagement, help customers recognize your location, and build trust before they ever step through the door.